What's up, YouTube? Rub1.2500D. Just got home from work, and it's time for unboxing. So it's some new stuff going on. New shit. Hold on, let me get up out this shirt. No steak knife needed. Been waiting on this. This is going to be the amp that's going in the Tahoe. It's one of those two 18-inch. I kind of 18-inch. So this is gonna be what's going in. Soundstream Rub1.2500D. Let me get this thing out. It's pretty damn heavy. Hold up. $2,500 Soundstream Rub1. Long time coming, but we gonna see what this gonna do on there. Bam, sexy motherfucker. Look at that thing. Yes. I'm gonna holler back at y'all once I get it installed and up and running. Rub1.2500D, holla at your boy. I'm back. I had to get another shot of it outside the box. Get your bass knob. Fuse holder. Strap wire. Look at this thing. This thing is nice. Gonna put out some power finally so we can see really what those two 18-inch icons can do. But like I said before, and this time I mean it, once I get it in and installed, be another video coming. Holla at your boy, Rub1.2500D.